Home decorating tips. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. 1. Set the tone at the front door. If you want your house to make a great first impression, paint the front door a fun, glossy hue. Red is a lucky color in many cultures, says Laura Allen Brett, a New Jersey-based stager. A red door meant welcome to weary travelers in early America, and on churches it represents a safe haven. 2. Paint wall colors light and neutral. Stick to colors like beige or gray, especially on the first floor, where flow is important. You want to minimize jarring transitions, says Brining. Neutral walls give you the greatest decorating flexibility, allowing you to easily switch up your accessories. 3. Living area. Make sure your sofa talks to your chairs. Think of a nice hotel lobby. The furniture is arranged in groupings that invite conversation. When you place the furniture in your living room, aim for a similar sense of balance and intimacy. One common mistake to avoid: pushing all the furniture against the walls. 4. Let the sun shine in your kitchen. When it comes to heavy, outdated drapes, a naked bank of windows is better than an ugly one, says Lynn. Ideally, window dressing should be functional and elegant. Think sheers paired with full-length panels. If your room gets a lot of sun, opt for light colors that won't fade. The most recommended lightweight fabrics for panels are cotton, linen, and silk blends because they tend to hang well. 5. Hang at least one mirror in every room. Mirrors can make a space feel brighter because they bounce the light around the room, says Brining. But placing one in the wrong spot can be almost as bad as not having one at all. Put mirrors on walls perpendicular to windows, not directly across from them. Hanging a mirror directly opposite a window can actually bounce the light right back out the window. 6. Scale artwork to your wall. There are few things more ridiculous looking than hanging dinky little art too high on the wall, says Brining. The middle of a picture should hang at eye level. If one person is short and the other tall, average their heights. 7. Layer your lighting. Every room should have 3 kinds of lighting: ambient, which provides overall illumination and often comes from ceiling fixtures; cask, which is often found over a kitchen island or a reading nook; and accent, which is more decorative, highlighting, say, artwork. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.